Hi everyone, I am Gautam, I am physics faculty. Now I am going to discuss a topic on expansion of liquids. Expansion of liquids. So expansion of liquids is related to what chapter? It is related to thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. Now we are going to discuss one sum in related to these expansions of liquids. Carefully observe the question here. They told that apparent coefficient of expansion of liquid when heated in a copper vessel is C and when heated in a silver vessel is S. If A is linear coefficient of expansion of copper, then linear coefficient of expansion of silver is. So here actually in this question what happened means they have taken first one copper vessel, and then they have taken one silver vessel. They have taken two vessels, silver vessel and copper vessel. Fine. And in the question what they mention, apparent coefficient of expansion of liquid when heated in copper vessel is C. Apparent coefficient means gamma A. Gamma A in copper vessel is C. Gamma A in copper vessel is C. So let me write this as copper vessel, let me take it as 1. So gamma A of 1 is C. Next, when heated in silver vessel, it is S, that is gamma A2. For silver vessel I am taking 2, gamma A2 is given as S. Fine. Next they have given as if A is linear coefficient of expansion of copper, linear coefficient of expansion of copper is given as A. We know that gamma is equal to 3 alpha. Alpha is called as coefficient of linear expansion. Alpha is called coefficient of linear expansion. By that data here they have given alpha of copper in the question. You can observe here A is linear coefficient of expansion of copper. So alpha 1 is A. What they are asking us to find? Silver alpha value, coefficient of linear expansion of silver. This is our given question. One thing you have to observe carefully here. Here it may be copper vessel or silver vessel, the liquid which you are using in that vessel is same. That means in this copper vessel what liquid you are using? Same liquid we are using for in silver vessel also. Because of change of vessel, alpha and apparent expansion will change, but not real expansion of liquid. Liquid real expansion always will be same. So from that information now I can write that is gamma R of 1 is equal to gamma R of 2, because gamma R is property of what? Liquid alone. Gamma A means connected with container, liquid plus container connection. Here gamma R means only liquid property. So inside copper vessel or silver vessel, according to the question, we are taking same liquid. From that information what I can do here means gamma R1 is equal to gamma R2. Fine. What is formula for gamma R, sir? Because we know that gamma R is equal to gamma A plus 3 alpha. By using that formula now I am going to substitute that. That is in the place of gamma R1 what I am writing? Yes, gamma A1 plus 3 alpha 1. Here I am writing gamma A2 plus 3 alpha 2. Fine, I have written like that. Now, what is gamma A1? Already given, it is C, plus here alpha 1 they have given as A, and gamma A2 we already they have given as S, and they are asking us to find alpha 2. Now, from this line, easily you can write alpha 2 value. What is alpha 2 value? C plus 3A minus S by 3. So from that you can understand very easily that answer is second option. So that is how we have to solve this problem. The basic rule is either copper vessel or silver vessel, whatever the vessel you are taking, same liquid. Same liquid means, what do you mean by same liquid? Liquid is same in the two vessels. So gamma R is same. Gamma R is same. By just using this information, gamma R formula is gamma A plus 3 alpha we applied, and finally we got alpha 2 value. Alpha 2 value. It's a very interesting model related to expansion of liquids. That is a coefficient, what they have given, apparent coefficient of expansion of liquid in copper vessel is C. That is C. Gamma A1 apparent means. And when heated in silver vessel, it is yes. When heated in silver vessel, it is yes. Then they told A is linear coefficient of expansion of copper. A related to copper. They are asking us to find what is alpha of silver vessel. Alpha of silver vessel. As the liquid is same, gamma R1 equal to gamma R2, and gamma R formula if applied, simply we can get alpha 2 value from here. This is the alpha 2 final answer which is connected here in the B bit. I hope you are clear with this problem. You have to be very alert related to these type of problems. That means whenever they told liquid is used in different vessels, basic rule, how many vessels you use, the liquid is same. Liquid is same means gamma R is same. If you use different vessels, gamma A changes, alpha will change, but real expansion of liquid will never change. That is the basic rule to be understood to do such type of problems. I hope you are clear with this one. Thank you.